Hello YouTube, hello Facebook, hello the world overall. My name is Morgan James Does Games, and you are about to see something incredibly easy. Now, the reason why I'm recording my keyboard at the moment, because it's a beautiful keyboard. Look at that keyboard, it's so grand. Listen to that son of a bitch sing. And also, I'm loading up the Twinery program. What is Twinery, you're asking yourself? This is Twinery. This whole thing. Oh my god, look. It's amazing. It's still freaking loading. Now, I'm going to do a really quick tutorial on how to use Twinery. And yes, this isn't screen capping. And you want to know what? So, all of these things right here, these are projects that I myself have worked on. So what we are going to do is, and there are a lot of them. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to start a new story. And we're going to call this one FERP, because it's just something stupid. Alright. And now, here we go. So, this is amazingly how simple Twinery is to use. See, the thing is, anyone can use it. It's basically a pickup game of basketball. So, for instance, I'm not going to even try to make sense of this. I'm just going blah, 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 blah. Okay? And then, obviously, this is not how I write. Then, alright, are you ready for this? Because this is the magic of Twinery. This is how simple it is. This is where the magic happens. Boop, boop. All right. Boop, boop, boop. Okay. Boop, boop. All right. See, right there? Okay, cool. Now we're gonna go doot, boop, 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 boop. All right. And then boop, 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 boop. Oh, bad, Morgan, bad. Okay, so and going to the end, and we're gonna go boom, boom. All right, so we got pop, poop, and poop. So, and what this is going to do is this is going to create 3 different paths. We got the pop, the poop, and the poop. And that's all from that one thing that I just did. It's really just that simple. It's so simple. I'm posting this to Twitter right now. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? You heard it here first, folks. Twitter is going insane.